know why pianos don't like to go to school? Because they're always getting picked up by their keys. This lighthearted joke is our way of breaking the ice. It's a simple, pun-filled introduction that ties in with the theme of our video. It's a fun way to appeal to your sense of humor before we dive into the world of piano playing. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to laugh and learn. Now that we've tickled your funny bone, let's tickle some piano keys. Ever wonder why a zebra and a piano could be best friends? Because they both can't decide if they're black or white. Now let's delve into the mystery of these black and white keys. On a piano, you'll find two types of keys, each with their own unique roles. The white keys are like the main characters of our story, always in the spotlight. They represent the 7 musical notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Then we have the black keys, the supporting characters, always there to add a pinch of drama to the music. They represent the sharps and flats, the notes that are a half step higher or lower than our white key notes. So when you're playing the piano, you're creating a symphony of stories with these characters, each key adding its own touch to the melody. Just remember, zebras and pianos have a lot in common, but only one can make beautiful music. Did you hear about the piano that went to school? It mastered the alphabet, but only up to G. Yes, you heard it right. Our piano friend here decided to go to school and learn the alphabet. But it stopped at G. Why, you ask? Well, the musical alphabet, unlike our regular A to Z, only goes up to G. So in the world of music, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are the only letters you need to know. These are the 7 notes that make up every melody and harmony you hear. Remember the song Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Those are the same 7 letters being played over and over again. And guess what? Every time you play a song, you're basically having a conversation with these 7 letters. So, the piano might not be the spelling bee champion, but it sure knows its ABCs. To G, why did the chord break up with a single note? Because it wanted to see other notes. Now, let's dive into the world of piano chords. Imagine a group of notes hanging out together, creating a beautiful harmony. That's a chord. But don't get it twisted. It's not a note party. A chord is when you press 2 or more keys at the same time. Think of chords as the best friends of the piano world. Alone, they're just notes, but together, they create a whole new sound. It's like when you combine peanut butter and jelly. Separate, they're pretty good, but together, they're a sandwich of amazingness. Chords are like the secret sauce of music. They add depth, emotion, and a touch of magic to any tune. So, don't be shy, go ahead and press a few keys together. Remember, in the world of piano, it's okay to see multiple notes at once. What's a piano's favorite type of music? Anything with a good beat, because it loves to keep rhythm. Now, you might be wondering what rhythm is all about. Well, let's think about your favorite song. Notice how it has a certain pace, a specific groove that makes you want to tap your feet or bob your head? That's rhythm for you. When you play the piano, rhythm is like the heartbeat of your music. It's the steady tick-tock that keeps everything in time. Without rhythm, your melody could run wild, like a squirrel on a sugar rush. And here's a funny way to remember it. Just imagine rhythm as the piano's secret dance move. While a piano can't twirl or do the moonwalk, it sure knows how to keep a beat. So while rhythm might seem like a tricky riddle at first, remember, it's just the piano's favorite dance. So a piano might not be a good dancer, but it sure knows how to keep a beat. So why don't pianos like to fight? Because they're afraid of getting keyed. Now, isn't that a noteworthy joke? Let's recap our musical journey. We've unraveled the mystery of the black and white keys, wandered through the musical alphabet, chuckled at Chord Comedy, and solved the Rhythm Riddle. All of these steps are keys to unlocking your piano playing potential. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and remember, music is meant to be fun. And remember, even if pianos don't like fights, they sure love a good play.